All right, guys, it's day 3 of drama, and I've got a really big treat for you. I don't know how many of you know this, but the longest play ever is called The Bald Soprano. And so I thought that I could do a reading of that play for you today as kind of a treat, right? So the video will be a little bit long. The play is about 23 and a half hours long. But once you're finished seeing the video and seeing the play, I'm sure you'll appreciate it all that much more. Only 23 hours, it'll be a lot of fun. And of course, I'm not doing that. April Fools? Um, I'm guessing that some of you got caught. Maybe some of you didn't. Maybe some of you saw the little timestamp at the bottom of the video. But if you did get caught, you need to admit to it on the comments page. Anyway, today what we're really going to do is we're going to take a look at some basic questions that you need to ask pretty much of every play. And so we're going to look at Hoderi once again. And instead of doing a story map, we're going to answer these few questions right here. Just simple questions that you need to answer of everyday plays. I'll go ahead and read through some of them just to make sure that you know what I'm talking about or what each one of the questions are talking about. First one asks, what information does the writer give you at the beginning of the play? That's the stuff that happens before the dialogue. So tell me what's happening there. What's the narrator's role? What part do they play in the story? What is their responsibility? The third one, who are the most important characters? And don't just tell me the names, but tell me why they're the most important characters. What information do you learn about the characters from the stage direction? So this is kind of like the question from the first day where we asked you to pick out one piece of stage direction. I want you to do the same kind of thing and explain to me why that stage direction is important. The last one on this page, how did that stage direction help you understand the setting? So pick one specific type of stage direction that was addressing the setting, okay? And explain kind of how that helped you understand where the characters were in the story. On the next slide, it has 4 more questions. What is the most exciting part of the play? And explain. What was the theme of the play? What's the author telling me? And what does the author want me to understand? Obviously, each one of these questions is going to take more than just a couple of words. It should probably take 1 or 2 questions, or sentences, to flesh out that answer as thoroughly as you can. Do your best, have fun, and don't trick your parents too much. I know it's April Fool's, but don't treat them like I just treated you guys or anything. Bye. See you tomorrow.